Hey guys, Vandal here from Blue Ridge Milsim, and today we have an unboxing of the Evike pistol box of Awesomeness. Frogman's sitting over there making faces at me.
Hey.
Let's just get into it.
If you do get some cool, it'll probably be mine. How much was each one?
This one was $85 and the M4 box was $125.
And you're like guaranteed your money worth this.
Pretty much.
Or at least close to it.
That should do it. And first thing is the Desert Eagle.
Dude, that's awesome. Oh my god.
CO2 Desert Eagle.
A Desert Eagle. Get it out.
Hold up, let's look at this other stuff. Alright.
No,
That's the SP1315 was trying to like the law against airsoft guns. Tactical Spark, which came in every single box, I believe.
That's awesome.
The
What is that?
Evike coffee.
Do you drink coffee?
Nope.
I don't drink coffee. What? Who made that?
Zombie Hunter patch, that's pretty awesome.
That is cool. Guns and coffee. That's awesome.
Cleaning and sanitation towel. That's awesome, that's kind of neat.
I'm gonna send my mom a picture of that coffee.
Here's a GMP bag.
Shopping bag, I guess.
Something like that.
Oh,
Major League Door Kicker patch.
Yeah.
That's worth the whole thing altogether. Oh, and here's a Guns and Coffee patch.
Makes sense. What's that?
So yeah, there's the first one. Let's look at the Desert Eagle. I thought this box was actually like really heavy. Oh, that's awesome.
That is absolutely insane.
Is that huge?
Is it heavy?
Kinda. Hold up.
CO2's coming. You got any CO2 with you?
No, I don't. Dude, that's awesome. So, I think it's KWC Desert Eagle. I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty sweet. Full auto and semi. Gonna wreck some noobs.
Dude, that's so cool.
Alright. Well, next is the M4 box, and that's going to be a separate video, so check that out next. Blue Ridge out.